Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with a quick video on how I do my double puff hairstyle. My hair is super shrunken right now, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and put it into some buns. My hair shrinks like crazy. Like, look how long it is, but it stays in the shrunken state, and I don't mind it shrunken. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right, so first and foremost, I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. Typically, if I'm doing this on a regular day, I don't even care about the part, to be honest, but because I'm gonna be super duper precise. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and part down the middle. My hair is already wet because I already put my conditioning solution in there from my spray bottle. What I'm putting now is my As I Am leave-in conditioner. I really love this. Now I'm gonna just run it through my hair on both. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair, separate my curls, you know, get some tangles in there. It's all shrunken. I don't have my brush, but I have my wet brush. I love this brush. If y'all need a detangling brush, this is the brush. So I'm gonna brush my hair, and I'm gonna do it one side at a time. And we're gonna gather all my hair up into this bun. Now I'm gonna use my hair butter. I always use this stuff. This, oh my God. Now, this is super quick. I do this typically if I just don't, you know, I want a quick, cute hairstyle. And that's typically what it is. I take my scrunchie, and then I do it probably around 2 times. And then on the 3rd time, I'm just gonna take it and pull my hair through. But don't pull it all the way through. Just kind of leave that there, and then I can wrap. And then we have one side finished. This is super fun. My As I Am leave-in conditioner. I use a good amount because my hair can be super duper dry sometimes. And you want to stretch it. I like my buns in the middle. I know some people like their buns in the front or lower. I like it this. Right where it is. I like to use butters because of the thick consistency, and it just keeps my hair so moisturized. So I'm gonna pull my hair out and separate it. Separate most of them. And this, the white residue that you're seeing on it, it doesn't stay, so don't worry about that. It disappears. I'm gonna assume that's where the second one is. I need to put a mirror in front of me. So we're gonna go around twice. And on the 3rd time, you're not going to pull your hair all the way through. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See that? Typically happens, but I know how to fix. So I'm gonna get my Eco Styler gel. And typically, like I said, I would not do edges, but because I'm being fancy for YouTube, why not, girl? Why not slap some edges, some gel on them edges? I never do. I like my edges the way they are sometimes. Baby hairs down. It's lit, and that is it, guys. See how I'm not gonna show y'all the back because I don't know if my part was straight, but yeah, so that was really quick. We have a long video, but I'm gonna go ahead and edit it out. And we have my double bun. I hope you guys like it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I definitely have more videos coming up with some quick, easy styles for natural hair. You know, when you're on the go and you really don't have time to indulge in a full-on hairstyle. These are some quick hairstyles that you can go to, and I'm definitely going to be uploading some more. Let me guys know what looks you guys would like. I'll definitely incorporate them in my channel.